Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manage LinkedIn active status. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that you have to go for your profile icon over here. Just click on this drop down option. Then go for settings and privacy. Okay. So in this page or in this list, you have to go to visibility option and scroll down a little bit, and you can see the manage activated status is here. So go for this arrow and you can manage your active status by one-on-one or your connection only or all LinkedIn members. So I'll just prefer for my profile, I just turn it on your connection only and just go back. So this is how you can manage LinkedIn active status. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.